Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. We are very happy to see you here. Today we're going to be talking about Mantra DAO and why I believe it's going to be going to 700 or maybe 1000% profit in the near future. We're going to talk about the short article, we're going to talk about the staking, and we're going to obviously analyze the price, and I'll show you why I'm thinking it's going to be doing some amazing gains. And just before we jump into the video, make sure you connect with us on our Discord, in our Discord group, because we're talking about some coins that posting potentially coins that gonna be seeing some upside in the near future. It's for free, so you got nothing to lose. Okay, so let's talk about this article that I was talking about. So what they saying here, they're talking about the issues that Ethereum have because it's overloaded, it's more expensive to do a lot of transaction, and so now what they're saying about Mantra DAO, that is going to be a good solution for that. It's going to be giving you staking, it's giving you lending, it's going to give you that you can be borrowing. All of this in one easy Mantra DAO platform. So what they're saying, the potential for the next DeFi boom to attract the average non-technical user will depend greatly on accessibility and case of use. With this in mind, Mantra DAO has been designed so that features such as staking, voting, and borrowing and lending can be used with a few clicks of a button. Its OM token will reportedly be available for purchase via bank transfer as well as credit and debit cards. And also they reward users. So if you're borrowing and you pay everything on time, they will reward you with OM tokens, and then doing on a basis like very similar to us, that it's like a credit score. If you're being good, we're rewarding you. If you're not being good, we're not rewarding you. And you kind of build in your credit history, and it's very easy to borrow on their platform. So again, it's going to be making easy for a lot of people because it's not very technical. You can go on their website and you see it's pretty straightforward and easy. And we're going to look at the market cap. Market cap only at almost 14 million, which is tiny. So when money start coming back to it, it's gonna have a lot of potential to go up. And again, when this coin came out, there was a lot of buzz about it and the price was going up, and then we forget about this specific coin as well. What I didn't like, that on the staking they were giving you 88% return, so they could dump all the coins they were receiving in their interest. It's a little bit too much. It's kind of devalued the coin. It's saying that the coin doesn't worth much. We're gonna give you 88% a year return if you just stake. And now they finally change it. They slowly been changing it, and now it's 20%. It's still a little bit on the higher side, but I believe it's much better than 88%. And now it makes more sense that people will be maybe start holding it more and investing, because now I believe that we found the bottom of the price. We're not receiving such a huge returns that people will continue just dump their coins that they're receiving. So that's one point that I believe the price is going to be seeing some upside. So what I'm thinking going to be happening. So now we were on this long down, pretty much since the coin started. We've seen some upside and then it just went down. I was talking about this coin about 25 cents, and I said that if you're looking to get into it, make sure if you are put a stop loss around this area, because we still don't know how low we can go. And I said if you're looking to be accumulating and you believe in the project, you can enter here one time because we didn't know if it might go up. Then I said you can enter here at 1.27 and here. So if you did that, you would have some average in this area. So very soon you'll be in profit. Or if you just put a stop loss, you didn't lose anything. You probably lost a little bit. But overall, now we see that there's like accumulation area, and we will be probably going out of this. Again, nothing 100% guarantee. So if you are getting into it, it's always a good idea with small coins like this that we don't have really past to see what was going on with them. So it's a good idea to be putting always the stop loss. So just here, I want to make sure we start making higher highs. So you want to make sure that we're not going to break it. So if you are entering, make sure you put your stop loss somewhere here or a little bit below. And it looks like it's been trying to break out above this 21 exponential moving average. And I believe as soon as we're going to go above it and we're going to start bouncing on it, not like here we went above and then just break below it. If we're going to start bouncing on it and start going up, we have a good chance to start uptrend and potentially making some huge profits. So let's see if we're just going to get from here to our all-time high. It's about 700%, and as well I believe we're going to be going higher. So what you see here, I just took the Fibonacci from our bottom to our top, and it could have shown us how far we could have gone down. So we see on this area we found support. So now I want to do the opposite, where we're going to be seeing we can go upside. So we're going to go from the top to the bottom, and we can see if we're going to break the all-time high, we might get to this point, and we might get to 1.41, the same when we were falling, we reached the 1.41. So if we just gonna reach that area, what are possibilities? We probably can gain from here to there about 1000% return. It's 10x on your money. It's a lot of money. And as well, I just want to compare to another coin which we've seen, eGold, that a lot of people were talking about. This is an amazing project. And again, it pump up, and then when they change their coin name and it just start dumping non-stop. But you can see it's also created this kind of round bottom where people start accumulating here, and we exploded, and whoever start buying here at the bottom, they're in amazing profit. They already did 2x on their money. So I believe something like that can happen with this project. And if you believe in this project, or if you already hold this coin and you're in loss, so I believe some good times about to come. And yeah, it looks like the project continued doing what it said to be doing. We just forgot about this coin. We're not looking at it anymore. But when people are gonna start paying attention again, I believe it's gonna start going up and jumping. But again, always make sure you use a stop loss, because we're talking about coins like Theta, Cardano. So I believe in Theta big time. It doesn't have too much history as well, but Cardano have longer history. So we can see at least by the history and do some better technical analysis, where here, that was our start. So you cannot look back and kind of analyze and think where can things go. Like we started just not a long time ago with Mantra DAO, but I believe this is the bottom and there's only upside from here. And yeah, let me know what you think. Do you hold this coin? Do you believe in it, or you just finding out about this coin? Let me know in the comments, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Adios.